Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Space Voyage.
Hi, I'm here today to tell about Delta 4 Heavy rocket launch, which is going to launch on 29th of August. Liftoff at 2:04 a.m. Eastern Day timings, August 29th. These timings may vary based on the launch conditions. Name of the mission is NROL 44 and it is a mission for the National Reconnaissance Office. Launch provider, that is which rocket company is launching it. United Launch Alliance is going to launch this. Customer, that is who is paying for this launch. National Reconnaissance Office. Rocket which is going to be used for this launch is Delta 4 Heavy. Launch location is SLC 37B Cape Canaveral AFS, Florida, USA. Payload mass which is not disclosed yet, but at max it may be 14,220 kilograms. From this launch, satellites are going to geostationary Earth orbit, which is 35,900 kilometers. In this launch, they are not attempting to recover the first stage of the rocket. The first stage of the rocket after separation will going to crash into the Atlantic Ocean. The fairings used in this launch is new. This launch is going to be the 12th launch of a Delta 4 Heavy rocket and 141th all-time mission for United Launch Alliance. Please don't miss this launch. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell.